it, huh? Woo! Yeah! Woo! 10 points. Did that hurt, really?
I'm bleeding.
No. That didn't hurt? How come he's bleeding? All right, go ahead, Mike. You have 45 points. You're in second place. Go ahead.
Take Channel 7, Ken.
Okay, Channel 7. Time to race the rabbi. Okay, Mike, you've got to perform this calculation before he races through the basement, snatching Israeli flags, and you'll win 10 points. This is for Mike and Mike only. Good luck to you. Okay, here's your question. In an average Jewish month of 28 days, a menorah maker working a 9-hour day is able to churn out 4,284 menorahs. How many menorahs does he make in an hour? Got it? On your mark. Get set, go, Rabbi! Thanks, Rabbi. I guess they weren't Israeli flags after all, were they? No, they're little skull caps. Okay, Mike, what's your answer?
45, Ken.
45 is incorrect. It was 17. That's what we're looking for. You didn't get the points.
I failed math.
But you're much better man for it. Thank you, Rabbi. Have a nice holiday. Okay, Mike, pick away.
Channel 5, Ken.
Channel 5. Really late show, 10 points. Buzz in and say, here's Johnny, just like Jack Nicholson did in The Shining. 10 points, Lori.
Here's Johnny.
Now, Mike.
Here's Johnny. Come on!
It's our Rutgers educated judge. It's not me. Eric?
Here's Johnny.
It says here, here's Johnny, really demonic. None of you were really shut up. Go ahead, Mike, pick away. We're running out of time.
Channel 6, Ken.
See how manipulated that? Oh, look at that. We are out of time. Nice, Steve. Okay, this, that, or the other thing, 10 points, 20 seconds worth. This is a chance for Eric to catch up, should Eric want to. Time to play Bo, Mo, or Edgar Allan Poe. I'll give you a clue. You tell me if it best fits Bo Jackson, Mo Howard, or Edgar Allan Poe. Get it? Yeah. Okay, so it's Bo, Mo, or Poe. 20 seconds, let's have a clock. Nose basketball.
Bo.
Yes. The Telltale Heart.
Poe.
Mike.
Poe.
Yes. Hit Shemp with a hammer. Mike.
Mo.
Yes. Knows tennis.
Bo.
Yes. Pulls Larry's hair. Mike.
Mo.
Yes. Calls people chowderheads. Eric.
Mo.
Yes. The Raven.
Poe.
Eric, yes. Oh, look at this. Oh, Eric, you made a valiant effort. But it doesn't really matter, because in the end, it's time for you to go. Nice going, Eric. Almost. All right. Lori, Mike, 10 points separate the two of you. Now you have a chance to wager some or all of your point total on one last question. While you guys are figuring out how much you want to wager, we're going to show you some of the stuff you're aiming for.
Get big performance from a small package with Zenith's remote control 9-inch color TV. Perfect for the kitchen or bedroom. This Zenith features an earphone and 178-channel tuning.
The ADC Sound Shaper speaker system. Powerful wide-range stereo sound from a speaker system small enough to fit in a suitcase. ADC, you'll believe it when you hear it.
Epiphone Les Paul electric guitar is rock and roll rocket designed for high-powered performance from Gibson, USA.
Smith Corona's PWP 7000 laptop word processor comes with a built-in disk drive for unlimited data storage, a 90,000-word dictionary plus a letter-quality printer.
Okie dokie. Laurie, Mike, we have your wagers. Here's your question. Chris Partridge is to the drums as Tracy Partridge is to what? If you need to read it again, it'll be up here. While you guys figure it out, due to the fact that millions of people are injured every year due to power accidents with power tools, we have a power safety tool tip for you. Here you go. Figure it out. Okay, nice, very nice. Notice keeping your fingers completely clear of the blade and wearing goggles at all times. Okay, we'll start with Lori since you are the lowest point total. Lori, what is your answer?
I said tambourine.
Tambourine is right, and how much did you wager?
I wagered 64 points.
64 points, which gives you 129. Mike, what was your answer?
I said the tambourine.
Tambourine is correct, and how much did you wager?
Wagered 10 points.
And that gives you 85. Lori did it. Mike, nice game, but you gotta go. See you, Mike. Lori, you are headed towards the wheel.
Cocktail?
There's nothing new under the sun.
We plan ahead. That way we don't do anything right now.
But under the ground, there's something no one's ever seen before.
What the hell are they?
It's big. It's mean. It's ugly.
Stinks too.
And worst of all, it's hungry.
Makes my skin crawl.
Kevin Bacon. Tremors. Rated PG-13. Special sneak preview Sunday night in select areas.
The adventure continues. Now with Batman, the serial. And nothing can slow him down. Nothing can stop him from bringing it to you. It's here. A smashing taste. A honey nut flavored part of your complete breakfast. Batman cereal.
Well, here I am.
You're out there, and you're a new face.
They're staring, definitely staring.
You want them to see you, not a pimple. One look, and it's clear with Clearasil Double Clear, the first completely different pad with different textured sides. The rough side deep cleans. The smooth side clears up pimples with double the medicine of the leading pad.
You know, when your skin's clear, life's a lot easier.
For skin that makes a clear first impression, Clearasil Double Clear pads.
ESPN is your season ticket to NCAA basketball. Check out the winning lineup of more than 200 live regular and postseason college basketball games, featuring many of the country's top-rated teams. NCAA basketball on ESPN is brought to you in part by Bonner Chevrolet, 695 Wyoming Avenue, Kingston. Sport Jets, 141 East Main Street, Plymouth. And Penley Footwear, 165 East Main Street, Miners Mills.
Two convenient locations, Route 6 in the Fashion Mall Scranton and in Plaza 315 near the Lobster Trap in Wilkes-Barre.
Mr. T Sportswear, your ticket to dressing like the pros.
Hey, Lori, how you feeling?
Oh,
You're
hanging
strapped
in there.
down on a big metal thing. You know, I could draw a mustache on you if I wanted.
No, you don't want to do that.
Yes, I do. Maybe I'll do it later. Who knows? Okay, you get 9 videos to identify. You get all 9 right, you get to stick a key into this thing.
It's the 1990 Plymouth Laser, the zippy little 5-speed manual hatchback, has power brakes, manual steering, and AM/FM stereo. It's fun to run, provided by Autoland, America's transportation centers. You've got friends at Autoland.
Okay, myself and the 2 twisted shillelaghs over here are going to spin you around at approximately 33 1/3 RPMs.
Look at my eye.
I see. 33 1/3 RPMs. Good luck, Lori. Keep your eyes on the monitors. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Oh, squeeze.
One right.
Sing.
2 right.
Pass.
Pass up 3.
Pass.
Pass up 4.
Robert Cray.
5 right.
Prince.
6 right.
Oh, pass.
Pass up 7.
I don't know. Pass.
Pass an 8.
Pass.
Oh, that was Mr. Mister. 3 was Van Halen. 4 was not was. 8 was UB40. And like I said, 9 was Mr. Mister. But you got a CD player, a neon phone, CDs, and Johnny Pong. Johnny Pong. Nice game, Lori. That's remote control.
All contestants receive. British Knights athletic shoes are on the move for fashion and function. Get off on the right foot, get off in BKs. Wherever you go, whatever you do, British Knights are the right move for you. Take control of your life with Zenith's multi-brand remote control. It operates most brands of TVs, VCRs, and cable converters from the company that invented the remote control, Zenith. Losing contestants receive Paul Mitchell's professional hair care collection to keep your hair looking its absolute best. From rich shampoos and conditioners to super sculpting gels, lotions, and sprays. From Paul Mitchell. Promotional consideration provided by Catch the Next Great California Wave, LA Gear Jeanswear. Jeans, skirts, overalls, and jackets with embroidered logos and chenille patches, LA Gear Jeanswear. It does a lot more than fit. For Nintendo, Acclaim's Double Dragon 2, The Revenge. 2-player head-to-head action, 9 incredible missions, and non-stop martial arts excitement. From Acclaim. Boogers, now you can stretch them and eat them. New Goopy Grape and Clingy Cherry Boogers. Pick them out and gross them out. Boogers. Test your TV knowledge with the Nintendo game version of Remote Control. New from High Tech Expressions.